Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove the bottom rear seat on Hyundai Sonata, the generation from 2005 to 2010. Okay, this seat right there, so stay with us and we'll show you how to remove it now, guys. Oh guys, it's a nasty car, it's a parts car, but we'll be able to show you at least. So you need to push the seat down, okay, like that, and you'll be able to see a 10mm bolt. Okay, right there. It's actually a 12. We thought it was a 10, but it's a 12, so we'll switch sockets quick. Okay, 12mm socket now, so let's give it a try again. Okay, it's still holding a little bit. Okay, I think it's loose now all the way. Okay, this is the bolt, guys, right here. We have one more towards the other side as well. Okay, like that. Okay, perfect. Now on the front, guys, right here, both sides, left and right, okay, you have a black piece, okay, that you need to push in. Okay, this one here, push in, you release the seat, and now you can pull the seat out. Okay, you can see like that. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.